feet in Louisiana swamps. There's a creature that lies beneath us. The elusive crawfish. The biggest, baddest mamma jamma you have ever seen. That mother freaker is big, buddy. I'm telling you right now. We over here trying to noodle this creature with my toes. We're gonna find him. We're gonna search for him. Oh Lord. Oh shit. That's up. That's up. Oh, got my toe. God dog it, he got my toe. Oh, I got that sucker there. Look at that thing. People try their whole life. Woo, that's a camp shaker, buddy, right there. Woo, people try their whole life to catch stuff like this. Look at that thing. I'm gonna mount this thing. 2011. The flood of 2011 made this possible for me right here. Ooh, I'm so pumped up I don't know what to say. I get some tears and I hold to my eyes. I'm gonna go into camp and I'm gonna cook them up now. Oh, have a good day. Stop it, you.